If you are a developer, you might find yourself in the following situation. You acquired some coding skills, built some projects, and now is the question, how do I make money with this? Welcome to the new format, how to make money as a solo developer. Try one. So my approach to making money as a solo developer is to build something cool that other people or a company might need, get their attention, and pitch it to them. Oftentimes, this doesn't lead to them doing exactly what you pitched, but you are on their radar and you might inspire them for new ideas that they want to build with you. So how are we going to try to make money this week? We're going to code a video. Yes, you heard right. We're going to code a video. And we're gonna send that to a Swiss car sharing provider. So it's gonna be like Spotify Wrapped, but for car sharing. Let's find out a bit more about them and see how we can create a nice video that will resonate with them. So let's check out their values on the website. So electric cars seem to be very important. Perfect. I think around sustainability and community, we can definitely build something. Now we're quickly, roughly copying the colors to make it look nice. And then we also need to get some assets for the video. I think the cars could look quite cool. So let's copy those images. And I think it's all in place. We're ready to go. So how do you code a video? I would say in the beginning, it's a bit confusing, because normally you code static websites that maybe have an animation or an element that changes on mouse click. But it's actually just that. It's a website that changes over time. Let me try to explain. What is a video? So a video is a set of images over time. Usually a video is about 30 frames per second. So you have 30 images in a row that form 1 second of a video. Let's say we have this example. We have this car at frame 0 and we wanted to leave the image at frame 30. Disney, at least back in the days, they drew 30 images of this car while the car moves small steps towards the end. And that, if you play it fast, creates the video. And how do we do this in code? Technically, we could also say, all right, let's move this car by 1 pixel. Now you move it by 2, now by 3, now by 4. Then create screenshots of this, edit it together to a video. But the cool thing is we have one property that makes it much easier for us, and it's an animation. So we simply say, we want this car to animate from position 0 to position 30 over 30 frames, and this is what moves our car. And the same goes for text, for transitions, for gradients. It's all code that moves based on animation. So one quick example in code, how do we animate those 3 cars? On the left hand side you see the Remotion player, which is a really nice tool to visualize what you've already built. So now we want to animate the cars from the right side into the image and stay in the middle for a second. This will look like this. For that we use the translate X property that will translate the car's position on the X axis. We start from 1200 pixels, so outside of the image, to 0, so to the middle of the image. And I would say we're ready to go, and we're going to present our video to the founder of Remotion to get some feedback from him.
Wow, funky. Clean animations. Oh, it even gives me recommendations. Wow, what a firework! I think this should be made official.
Let's go! Alright, so the video is done. Let's craft a post and send it out to Mobility and see how they react and if they want to buy it. So crafting the post and sending it, and next week we'll see what they replied and start our next project on how to make money as a freelance developer.